Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open Excel and choose a blank workbook to start a simple spreadsheet quickly. The workbook contains sheets listed as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3 at bottom. Click any cell to select it and type text or numbers to enter data. Use the ribbon tabs like Home, Insert, and Data to find tools and commands. Press Enter to move down or Tab to move right between cells for fast entry. Save the file with File, then save as using a descriptive name and XLSX format. Format cells to improve readability by adjusting fonts, colors, and borders on the Home tab. Use number format to display currency, percent, or dates like $ or 25% where appropriate. Create formulas starting with equals, then type operations. For example, equals A1 plus A2 or equals A1 asterisk B1. Use SUM and average functions like equals SUM, A1, A10, and equals average, B1. Insert charts to visualize data using Insert then Chart, and choose a chart type like column or line. Select the data range first, then click Recommended Charts to see useful options instantly. Use Sort and Filter on the Data tab to organize rows by values or to display only matching records. Preview print layout in File, then print and set orientation, margins, and scaling for proper page fit. Adjust chart titles, axis labels, and legends to improve clarity before exporting or printing. Learn keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+Z to speed up common editing tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.